Setting achievable goals. A step-by-step guide to success. Setting achievable goals is a crucial step in achieving success in various aspects of life. Goals provide direction, motivation, and focus, helping individuals stay committed to their objectives. However, setting unrealistic or vague goals can lead to frustration, disappointment, and a lack of progress. In this article, we'll explore the importance of setting achievable goals, provide a step-by-step guide on how to set effective goals, and offer tips for overcoming common obstacles. The importance of setting achievable goals. Setting achievable goals is essential for several reasons. 1. Clarity and focus. Goals provide direction and focus, helping individuals prioritize their efforts and resources. 2. Motivation. Achieving goals boosts motivation, confidence, and self-esteem, encouraging individuals to continue striving for success. 3. Accountability. Setting goals holds individuals accountable for their actions, promoting a sense of responsibility and commitment. 4. Progress tracking. Achievable goals enable individuals to track progress, celebrate successes, and identify areas for improvement. Step-by-step guide to setting achievable goals. Setting achievable goals involves several key steps. 1. Identify your objectives. Determine what you want to achieve, whether it's related to your career, relationships, health, or personal growth. 2. Make your goals SMART. Ensure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. 3. Break down large goals into smaller ones. Divide big goals into smaller, manageable tasks to maintain momentum and track progress. 4. Prioritize your goals. Focus on the most important goals first, and allocate your time and resources accordingly. 5. Create an action plan. Develop a step-by-step plan, including specific actions, timelines, and resources required. 6. Track progress and adjust. Regularly review your progress, celebrate successes, and make adjustments as needed. Tips for setting effective goals. To set effective goals, consider the following tips. 1. Set positive goals. Focus on what you want to achieve, rather than what you want to avoid. 2. Make your goals challenging yet achievable. Strike a balance between ambition and realism. 3. Write down your goals. Clarify your goals and make them tangible by writing them down. 4. Create a vision board. Visualize your goals to stay motivated and focused. 5. Share your goals with others. Share your goals with trusted friends or family to increase accountability and support. Common obstacles to achieving goals. Several obstacles can hinder goal achievement, including 1. Lack of clarity. Unclear goals can lead to confusion and a lack of direction. 2. Procrastination. Putting off tasks and decisions can stall progress and momentum. 3. Fear of failure. Fear of failure can prevent individuals from taking risks and pursuing their goals. 4. Distractions. Distractions, such as social media or multitasking, can derail focus and productivity. 5. Self-doubt. Negative self-talk and self-doubt can undermine confidence and motivation. Overcoming obstacles to achieving goals. To overcome common obstacles, consider the following strategies. 1. Break tasks into smaller steps. Divide large tasks into smaller, manageable steps. 2. Create a schedule. Plan out your day, week, or month to stay focused and on track. 3. Use positive self-talk. Encourage yourself with positive affirmations and self-talk. 4. Seek support. Surround yourself with supportive people who encourage and motivate you. 5. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge and celebrate small victories to maintain